outstanding, amazing friend who gave me, who stand here for listening me. And I would like to say big thanks to my boss sir who gave me this golden facility to stand here. And you know, जिसने रातों में जागकर सूरज को जगाया है, जिसने रातों में जागकर सूरज को जगाया है, उसी ने अपने सपनों को हकीकत में बनाया है. You know, if you want to become something in your life, first of all you have to sit tight and you have to find your feet also. Whatever you want to become, singer, dancer, actor, businessman, whatever, you have to see your goal like an adventure. Yeah, you are listening right. You have to see your goal like an adventure. You know, in adventure we have to do hard work. Like this, you have to do hard work for your goal also. And you know, for being something, you have to listen it. कामयाब लोग अपने फैसले से दुनिया बदल देते हैं. कामयाब लोग अपने फैसले से दुनिया बदल लेते हैं. नाकाम लोग अपने फैसले से नाकाम लोग दुनिया के डर से अपने फैसले बदल देते हैं. And you know, you don't have to give up and you shouldn't give up, but you give up. You know why are you giving up? Just because of yourself. And you say that I am giving up just because of people. I am giving up just because of my teacher. I am giving up just because of my parents. No, you are giving up just because of yourself also. And you know, so many people are there who jealous with each other. They say that he's having car, he's having a lot of money, he's having golden personality. But I would like to say that people, जलना मत सीखो, जलाने वालों को जलाना सीखो. And you know, and be like a diamond. Yeah, be like a diamond. You know, so many people are there who say that I have to be like a gold, but I say that I have to be like a diamond. Yeah, you all are listening right. I have to be like a diamond, and you know, as much as diamond shines, but that much gold doesn't shine. And you know, you have to learn, ignore the people and move on. You know, so many people are there who demotivate you, and you get also, but you don't have to get demotivated from them. You know, life is like a book. When we write, then we read. So you have to make your goal, and everyone will read your achievement also. So I would like to say that people, जब मैं मुश्किलों से डरा तो मरा क्यों नहीं, जब मैं मुश्किलों से डरा तो मरा क्यों नहीं, पर चीख नहीं सका, ना पूछ मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, ये मैंने किसी और से नहीं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ खुद ही से वादा किया है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ खुद ही से वादा किया है. So you have to promise yourself also. And I would like to say something to all of you. You know, right now I'm being able to speak English just because of new generation. You know, just because of new generation, I'm speaking here, and just because of Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, just because of they both, you know, they are very amazing teacher of English. You know, if you come at new generation institute, to be like a son, so you have to be like a Suraj sir. Yeah, you are all listening right. You have to be like a Suraj sir.